Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to show you how we can have many people in one scene without having low frame rate. Okay, first of all, we should take a look at this plugin, which is in Christian Judson Unity GPU instancing. I will share the description and the link of this page in the description of this video. As you can see, it has voids and animation texture baker just for having crowd and many people in our scene without low frame rate. Okay, you just need to download this plugin voids. It has been released 6 years ago, and you just need to drag and drop the assets folder to your project folder. After that, you will see it has a lot of examples here. The best one is baked animation text, and no, it is the source of it, and it is void simulation on GPU, not on CPU. So if you play this scene, you will see it is just an empty scene which has uh, a plane and a main camera. The main important part is here, GPU voids. Here in this object, it has two components, GPU voids and voids render. Here you will change the vision of a scale of your people, your characters, and in here it will be the instantiation the objects into your scene. You can change the configuration of this parameter. Okay, let's play the scene. As you can see, a lot of people has been instantiated in my scene, and they are walking simultaneously. Even I can change the amount of the people on runtime. For example, look at this. Or many people. Or even I can change the main parameters of these people. For example, change the speed of movement. For example, here now they are slower or they are fast. Okay, just that 10, 5, it's fine. Or even we can change the steer force and the people will be more closer to each other, or speed. Okay, or even we can change the scale of this people's area. This blue area is the people's walking area. You can change the area with this part. Wall size at wall center, it will be the offset. It will be something like this. Or we can change the scale and they can walk more than this area. Look at this. They are walking here, and even I can change the scale of them. 3, 3, 3. Now they are bigger. If you want to have better character for your animations, for your people, in here it is just a simple character which doesn't have any animation. No, it has many animation, but you just need to click on GPU voids and replace your instance mesh instead of this mesh. For example, it is low man, so you can drag and drop whatever you want here. And yeah, it will be really useful for having many people on your scene without spending a lot of process and getting low frame rate in your scene. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, VR, AR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.